Welcome to episode 2 of the Healing Cocina. Today we're firing up the air fryer to craft the ultimate Mexican salsa. Want the secret to a truly flavorful salsa? It's super ripe tomatoes. I am using vine ripened tomatoes that are sweet, dark red, and juicy. Quarter them for an even char, then remove the cores and slice once more for that perfect roast. Repeat the same thing to the tomatillos. Use 20 to 30% more tomatoes than tomatillos. If you have not done so yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more delicious, healthy recipes. Additionally, we will add 3 cloves of garlic. Not only do they add a wonderful depth of flavor, but they also have wonderful anti-inflammatory properties, and they have cholesterol-lowering benefits. Go ahead and slice the root end off of the garlic cloves so those don't end up in your salsa. Now we are going to roughly chop the cilantro and add this at the end, so go ahead and put that aside. Remove the ends off of the onion and go ahead and quarter it so you get the most amount of char on the surface area of your onions. Next, we are going to add the tomatoes, tomatillos, onion, and garlic to your air fryer basket. I am using the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. I absolutely love it. Next, we are going to give everything a light spray of olive oil. Then place the lid and set this to max crisp for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to give everything a little toss and flip the onions over. Then we are going to remove the garlic cloves and add those to the blender. Just go ahead and set that aside. We are going to air fry at max crisp for another 5 minutes. Now look at how perfect those tomatoes and tomatillos look. And that char on the onions, it is gorgeous. It looks just like it was charred on the stove, but without the mess. It's absolutely perfect. I love it. So now we blend, add the roasted tomatoes, tomatillos, and onion to your blender along with all those flavorful juices. Be sure to get everything in there and add in the chile de árbol. I am using 4 chilies to make it medium heat. Next, I add a splash of apple cider vinegar because it not only punches up the flavor, but it preserves the salsa. And my grandma's secret is to add a drizzle of oil to protect your stomach. And then a teaspoon of organic chicken bouillon. I like better than bouillon. And this will add a delicious flavor. And then I'm going to be adding some kosher salt. So go ahead and put on the lid and let's get this nice and blended. And I'm going to use a low medium speed because I want to have a little bit of chunk in my salsa. So blend it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Next, we're adding half a bundle of cilantro. Not only does it brighten the flavor of the salsa, but it also is packed with antioxidants and supports healthy digestion and detoxification. Now comes a crucial step in making the perfect salsa, tasting it. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of consomé and a bit more salt to balance the flavors just right. Give it one final blend and then one more taste test. Yep, that's perfect salsa. Once it's chilled, pour it into a bowl and serve with chips, in tacos, over eggs, with tamales, with just about anything because it's so good. Look at that. All the flavors are blended together and it's absolutely delicious. So good. I can taste the tomatillos, the tomates, the chile de árbol. Delicious, perfect salt and seasoning. The cilantro makes it really fresh. And the apple cider vinegar gives it an extra tang that complements the tomatillos. This is my go-to salsa. Family and friends always ask for it. If you want it mild, use 2 to 3 chile de árbol. If you want it medium heat, 4 to 5 like I use. And if you like it super spicy, add 10 to 12 or more. It's absolutely delicious. And be sure to subscribe. I have about 50 Mexican recipes that I would love to share. This salsa taquera takes chicken tacos on homemade corn tortillas to the next level. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.